Look at this. This is going to be an epic episode, that's for sure. The sun is ahead of us, so we are running to the sun. Well guys, you join me on the road now. We are heading down to Cornwall, and yeah, we'll catch you when you're down there. When we're down there, and yeah, you'll see the big reveal and everybody's take on what we've just built in 20 days. Probably one of the most iconic parts of the journey as we pass Stonehenge. Wanted to share that with you guys. Well, we're making reasonable time considering it's a bank holiday, and yeah, we're getting there slowly. We had to stop for a fuel break and get the old snacks and whatnot, but there's been a few messages come through of where are you guys, what time will you be down. So yeah, they're eagerly awaiting what we've got in store for them. I'm totally buzzing, totally buzzing. We've got Radio 1 on, they're playing the the bank holiday weekend tunes as well. So there's a few people that have gone past me in the traffic, blaring their music as well. It's such good vibes. Yeah, for a bank holiday weekend, heading down to Cornwall. Let me show you Stonehenge again. There we go. Yes. If anybody hasn't visited Stonehenge, it's quite interesting actually. I did it many moons ago. It's all changed since, I think. Back in the day you could actually climb over it. My dad did that. I think it's summer solstice you can go round the stones and enjoy that. Anyway, let's hopefully this traffic passes and we can get moving. What's the time now? It's now 6:10. So my guys have just finished work. I've got Evan with me. He's in the van behind. Yeah, hopefully we'll get some more footage as we arrive, and I'll show you that. Stay tuned. Check this out guys, absolutely stunning. Look at the colours, check that out. Proper run to the sun. Not long to go now. Almost there guys, 2 minutes to go and we will be there.
Regular highs when you give me ecstasy, yeah.
Hello, hello.
Hello, just arriving?
Yes, and Andreas is expecting us. We got a reveal vehicle in this. All very exciting. I can see some people. Yo!
Dude, where have you been?
I've almost missed the party.
No. Party's just warming up, mate. Party's warming up. We done?
Yeah.
We built?
We're built.
Are we show ready?
Yeah?
Well, let's see it.
Let's get it out.
Let's see it. What's up? So it's here. It's here, what they've been working on. Sorry Auto Works, Kaz. Oh man, we've been waiting all week for him. All week. Today's supposed to be here all day. Still working on it at work. That's how dedicated he is. Can't wait, man. They've worked so hard. It's blown my mind. Oh my God, dude! Dude, you've done it. Dude, you've done it.
Done it.
You've done it. You said you'd do it. Look at that. A proper run to the sun special.
Proper run to
Oh, look at that.
Give her a wood tush.
Oh my God. That's insane. How many days?
20 days.
Get out of here. 20 days.
20 days.
Right, get it on the pitch. It's time to party.
Thank you so much for coming. Making this music for 35 years. You know, sometimes I don't feel so good. The real sense of rich. Thank you so much.
Oh mate, that's so cool.
So guys, Friday night we made it, and now we're enjoying the silent disco. Run to the Sun 2024. Here to enjoy. So guys, we only went and did it.
Listen to that. Oh yeah.
Well guys, we are here. Run to the Sun 2024. We made it with the beach boat.